Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the scene. Remove clutter and set units so you know what a meter means. Next, choose a light type: sun for outdoor, rect or spot for interior highlights, H-dry for realistic sky. Place one temporary light now so you can see exposure changes immediately. Once done, adjust the time of day and camera exposure to get a useful baseline. This makes all subsequent adjustments predictable and faster. You now place lights with intent. Drag a rect light into a window opening, resize width and height to match the aperture, and lower intensity until it reads natural. For accents, add a spot, rotate it to aim, and widen the cone for softer edges. Once multiple lights exist, group them and balance intensity and ratios. For example, key light at 75% and fill at 25%, so the scene reads clearly without clipping highlights. You finish by baking indirect lighting for interiors and enabling denoise for a clean render. Choose medium for test renders, high for final output. Make an interactive preview pass and tweak LUTs and exposure to preserve detail. If you see banding, flicker, or very dark corners, make sure geometry normals are correct and there are no overlapping lights with extreme intensities. As a quick fix, lower the offending light by 10–20%.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.